I'm Tessa, that's Megan.
Hi guys.
So today's topic is touring of my house. It should be fun, it should be big. You should love it.
Yes, and if there's any house ideas, like room ideas, like what to do with things, like
I see where you're going.
yeah, like yeah, you see what I'm saying. Okay, so I don't have to describe anything. Okay.
Do you want some cheeses before we start?
They're not Cheez-Its, they're goldfish.
They're my goldfish.
Okay.
They're my diet.
Before we start, yes, starting with the whole diet thing. Okay, so I asked Tessa, she's like, I'm on a diet, I'm gonna eat some goldfish. I'm like, well, I mean, it's all fats and stuff. She's like, no, there's cheese in it. I'm like, she's like, it's on the pyramid. I'm like, no, cheese, dairy products is on the pyramid, not goldfish. And she tends to keep calling them Cheez-Its for some reason. Cheez-Its are little squares.
Get your own box.
Alright. Oh shit. Let's make this quick, brother.
Yeah, my computer's gonna die, but we'll make it fast.
Okay. First step. First step.
Okay.
This is my kitchen.
First off, this is Tessa's kitchen. We have a good department for her milk and other things. That's her fridge. And I know that on MTV Cribs, they pretty much show you what's on the inside of her fridge. We have Kool-Aid cooler things, Faygo Pop, wine punch, eggs in a dish. I don't know what's up with that.
The boils!
I know my mom does the exact same thing.
Oh, but why'd you say, oh my gosh.
And then you have your water and your I can't believe it's not butter. And then just down there is just like your meats and stuff. And then her fridge, she has, I'm sorry, I have to grab one of these while I'm here. She has peanut butter balls.
Oh, what's this?
It's a family tradition.